At the end of the day, you're another day older. And that's all you can say for the life of the chord. It's a struggle until more. And there's nothing that anyone's giving. One more day standing about. What is it for? One day less to be living. At the end of the day, you're another day colder. And the children in practice to keep out the chill. And the righteous hurry past. They don't hear the little ones crying. And the winter is coming on fast, ready to kill. One day nearer to dying. At the end of the day, it's another day dawning. And the sun in the morning is waiting to rise. And the waves crash on the sands. And the storm will break in seconds. The sun is hunger, ready to be present. And it's gonna be hell to play. At the end of the day. At the end of the day, there's nothing for nothing. So you find your buttons and buy any bread. For the children back at home. And the children have got to be fed. And you're lucky to be in a job and in a bed. And we're counting our blessings.
Have you seen how Sparky is doing today?
With his terrible breath and his horrible teeth.
The Almighty despises the joy of your taking.
And he doesn't like giving, he's more of a thief.
He says how much because he knows Father Christmas is costing him money. So his staff must come to work, like it or not. What a miserable being. At the end of the day, it's another day over. But there's enough in your pocket to last for a week. May the landlord please shop, keep from hurting as long as you're able. We'll carry your job to your table. When you've got to pay your way. At the end of the day.
We've been flash mobbed by the Balerno Theatre Company! Oh yes! But it wouldn't be Balerno Village Screen / Balerno Theatre Company without also us reminding you that donations are most welcome for both organisations. So it's more of a cash mob than a flash mob. But we'll be shaking the buckets on the way out. We fleece you on the way in and we'll fleece you on the way out again. But a round of applause again for them and then we'll go on with the show. So.